don't already know me, my name's Skip, or Kyle, it doesn't matter. Welcome back to my place. Well, let's take a little ride. I gotta run out to my daughter's today. Gotta put in a plug for her sump pump real quick. Won't take long, but we might as well enjoy this beautiful day and take a ride out there. Why don't you come along? Battery died, so I gotta get a little footage with my phone. footage, but I had no idea my camera was that low on battery. Sorry for the bouncing. This is a fun little slow twisty road up here on the hill by Excelsior Golf Course, which is a very nice golf course now. Well, they've done a ton of work out here. They've really niced it up. It looks real pretty. But this goes out by the Excelsior Airport. See, look how nice they've done that now. But they do a lot of little old school air shows out here too. Pretty neat. Well, we made it to Haley's safely. Let's run in here and get some plugins put in and we'll get out of here. So, hang loose. Well, we got the plugins done. Figured we'd head to the house, see what the rest of the day brings. I'll catch a little bit of focus on the way home. It's a beautiful day. Enjoy the ride with me. Let's wander downtown. See what's going in downtown Excelsior. Hotel. That thing's haunted. It's a 5-star hotel, but it's haunted. The old carriage house. Here's Wabash Barbecue. They used to be pretty good. They used to have bands out there, but now they kind of suck. like we made it home from Haley's safe. What a beautiful ride on a beautiful day. I got a few other things I gotta get done today. Maybe we'll run out a little later. Who knows? But if y'all like this video, like and subscribe. It sure helps us out to grow a little bit here. And leave a comment. Let us know what you guys want to see. You guys want to see camping? You want to see just running around? You want to see rolling totes? What do you want to see? See if we can accommodate and see what kind of suggestions we get. But until then, y'all keep two wheels rolling. Stay blessed. We catch you soon.